In this video, you'll learn how to use the ECON-W PC Programming Station with Juvo wheelchairs equipped with the ICON control system. With the ECON-W, you can save several configurations directly on the ICON controller. These can be loaded or restored at any time. This is especially useful when testing different parameter settings, restoring an earlier setup, or tracking configuration changes over time. Open System. System Configuration to view the configurations stored on the controller. Then click OK to activate programming mode. Inside System Configuration, you'll find the Production configuration. This is the factory default configuration, which can be restored at any time. You can also store the current configuration here as an additional setup. We recommend assigning clear and descriptive names. Before saving, check the system time to ensure the date and time are recorded correctly. To do this, open System, set System Time. The time can be set manually or synchronized with the PC clock.